वैगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मा रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।
Namaste, Amma Bhagwan Sharanam. I am Dr. Pooja Kulkarni from Solapur, now living in Pune, a dentist by profession. I wish to share my heartfelt experience of Navratri Homa and the blessings it brought into my life. It was back in 2017, a very challenging time for me. I had recently faced the loss of a loved one, followed by a financial crisis. I had a 5-year-old son to take care along with my dental practice. My clinic was far in suburb of Pune, and each day I worked until 9:30 p.m., reaching home close to around 10 p.m. Often my little boy would fall asleep in the car on the way, and I would softly talk to him until he drifted into sleep. By the time he reached home, he would be already fast asleep, and I would carry him inside, then prepare for his early school the next morning. At work, I also faced a lot of difficulties. My son often had to stay in the clinic premises, exposed to unnecessary X-ray radiation. His childhood was restricted indoors, away from open air play sports and interaction with kids at his age. As a mother, my heart ached for him, but I felt helpless. I thought of relocating my clinic closer to home, but doubts held me back. I had built goodwill over 5 years in my old clinic, and shifting would mean loans, expenses, retaining staff, re-establishing myself professionally. Yet my son's well-being and my peace of mind remained my top priority. In this helpless situation, I attended Navratri Homa conferences, and listening to those experiences of other devotees strongly cleared my doubts. With Amma Bhagwan's grace, I was able to take a firm sankalpa for a new place. To my surprise, within 3 days of registration for Havan, I happened to speak to a shopkeeper right outside my own society. He himself wanted to relocate and assured me that he would speak to the owner of the place on my behalf. Soon after I met the owner, we finalized things quickly, and by Diwali Padwa, I had lit the first lamp in my new clinic. From the very first day, I had patience. There was no waiting at all. With Amma Bhagwan's blessings, my son could finally enjoy sports and outdoor play within our society. Surrounded by caring neighbors, he found companionship, stability, and happiness. For me too, I felt like work from home but away from home. My guilt of not giving my son a good, healthy childhood that he would remember and build his life upon was gone, and I could peacefully work with full concentration. We both gained emotional peace, better health, and even financial stability beyond my expectations. By 2022, my lease in that place was ending. Being a commercial property, there was a 12% hike every year. The rent, which had started at Rs 25,000, had reached 40,000, and the owner now asked for 45. If I wished to continue the lease, considering the two COVID waves, when my clinic was completely shut for almost 3 months in each wave, and the long recovery from those losses, it was impossible for me to start again with 45,000 per month and additional yearly hike of 12%. I again turned to Navratri Homa for guidance. Soon after, while casually chatting with a beautician 2 blocks away, I mentioned my need for a clinic nearby. The very next day, I received a call from a lady who wanted to vacate her shop in the adjacent society. By evening, the owner himself came to meet me at my clinic and offered me more spacious commercial space and near a well known landmark at 13,000 less rent than what I was actually paying. This was a pleasant surprise indeed, and a location that also began giving me good walk in patients. Everything aligned so smoothly that before Diwali, my new clinic was ready with fresh interiors and all renovations complete, which otherwise would take 30 to 40 days. I didn't even have to search, the opportunity literally came to me. In both 2017 and 22, the same miracle unfolded. I prayed through Navratri Homa, and even before attending the ritual, life began to shift. By Diwali, all obstacles were cleared and new beginnings awaited me. With Amma Bhagwan's grace, my son and I received emotional and mental stability, good lifestyle, and a supportive community, and steady financial growth. Truly, Navratri Homa removed all the hurdles and filled our lives with peace and abundance. Amma Bhagwan Sharanam.